Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create slow motion video on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if we want to create slow motion video, we need to go to our camera and then activate the slow motion feature. You can go to the more option and then you can select slow motion or super slow motion, and then I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and you can click on this button to create slow motion video. Okay, the slow motion video has been created. I'm going to check it in my gallery. I'm going to open up my gallery application and then I'm going to play the video. Okay, as you can see guys, that the duration becomes longer. I took 8 seconds video, but it came out with 40 seconds video. However guys, if you don't have slow motion feature on your camera, I recommend you to download application from Play Store to create slow motion video. I suggest you to download this application, CapCut application. You can get it from your Play Store, and after you have installed this application, you can use it to create slow motion video. Okay, you just need to click on new project and then choose the video you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to select this video and then we can click on add. And to create slow motion video, we can reduce the speed of the video. You can click on your video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and you can go to the speed option, select normal, and you can reduce the speed right here. Okay, then you can click on the check mark, and then this is the final result. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create slow motion video on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.